our mind get spoiled with what Srimad Bhagavad Gita has said, a shadripu, and there are two more things. So what are the shadripus? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, and Matsara. See, for example, uh, say I'm delivering this session. Okay, I'm delivering on the basis of past experience and something reading. I'm also a human being, and now people say no, this is wrong. What should happen? My expectations are not met. Now, if these expectations are not matching, it means why they are not matching, and it will cause a damage to my mind. Why it will cause a damage to my mind? Because I have that attachment, moha, that people should accolade me. They should say, wow, what a session. If I don't expect, I expect that okay, I should convey it. Whatever that effects happen, that will happen after years, not today. I'm sure about it. So expectation is almost zero. No attachment. So as a result of it, no attachment, no fear, no love, no krodh. There is no anger. If there is no craving, there is no anger. So you will find the actual what you can say root of any agony, any evil. These four evils are there. That is pride, ahankar, anger, krodh, attachment, moha, lust, kam, and greed, that is lobh. So mad is too much of pride. Okay, right? Too much of what you can say ahankar. Too much of that I'm the best. Okay, nobody is the best. So that is too much of over ego kind of thing. And then the sixth one, that is a matsara. This matsara is very deep. If jealousy, but there is a difference in jealousy, what we say, and actual jealousy. Okay, I'll explain you in very short. If your colleague got a promotion, okay, who was according to you not working much but having a very good relationship with the boss, first thing that comes in our mind, boss, you got the promotion, hey, congratulations, wow, party. The point is that first few seconds, if those first few seconds are like this, boss, he's a lucky, he got the promotion, boss, he got the promotion, let's congratulate, he got the promotion, great, somebody got this promotion, yeah. This is a difference. And this jealousy actually deep rooted in the mind. It's not like jealousy which is traditionally known. Traditionally there is always Lalita Pawar and she is jealous about her daughter-in-law and like that. Not like that, okay? That jealousy is now vanished. Jealousy is very small thing, and jealousy also connected to then moha. That is a too much of attraction, craving for things. I didn't get promotion, we got the promotion. No doubt that after 50 years, I don't think that anybody of us will be alive. What that promotion is going to do, I don't know. Okay, but this is a fact. Okay, anybody disagrees with this? This is a fact. Anybody of us will not be there after 50 years. Okay, but their jealousy or the hatred, this has actually damage on the Manomay Kosh. So those are the fifth and sixth. So this shadripu and two vyadhi, and that is a disease, and ahar, that is our meal intake, that causes actually ripples in our manomay kosh or mind shape.